Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices gained nearly 1% on Wednesday as a weaker US dollar supported bullion after the Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged for a fifth consecutive meeting. The Federal Open Market Committee maintained the federal funds rate at 3.50% to 3.75%. Meanwhile, higher crude oil prices and renewed geopolitical tensions added to gold's safe haven appeal after the US said it repelled a surprise Iranian missile attack. From the technical perspective, MCX Gold is holding on to its intraday gains, but the overall trend remains weak. Immediate resistance is placed at 143,500, while strong support is seen at 141,000. These levels will be crucial for fresh position building during the session. Now let's move to crude oil. WTI crude oil prices extended their sharp gains on Thursday after recovering from early losses. Markets reacted to fresh US military strikes on multiple Iranian military targets and also drew support from a larger than expected decline in US crude oil inventories. The escalation in geopolitical tensions continued to keep supply concerns elevated, supporting oil prices. On the technical front, MCX crude oil opened with a gap down but recovered strongly from the day's low and is currently trading in positive territory. The trend remains bullish. A breakout above 8,250 could extend the rally towards 8,500 and 8,600. While immediate support is placed at 7,900. Finally, let's discuss natural gas. European natural gas prices eased on Thursday as traders booked profits following the recent rally, while steady LNG arrivals also weighed on prices. However, losses remained limited due to ongoing Middle East tensions and relatively low gas storage levels across the region. The market continues to closely monitor geopolitical developments for further direction. Technically, MCX natural gas has failed to sustain yesterday's gains and is trading lower ahead of the weekly US natural gas inventory report. Market expectations are for a storage build of 37 billion cubic feet compared with the previous reading of 32 billion cubic feet, which is considered negative for prices. Resistance is placed at 265 and a move above this level could revive bullish momentum. On the downside, a break below the strong support at 254 may trigger fresh selling pressure. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.